Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to look chats on WhatsApp for both iPhone and Android. So first let's start for the Android users. We're going to the app and then it's so simple to be done. You need to choose that's one chat that you want to look. So let's, for example, choose that one, and then what I want you to do is to go through or into this 3 points and tap on them, and then I want you to look for the option that will allow you to look the chat, and it's right here in the middle. So once you tap on it, they think it says keep this chat locked and hidden. So when we tap on continue, they will give you some options. Either you want to confirm to look your chats or you want to use PIN. Anyways, that's WhatsApp doesn't allow to record that one, so I just told you what you need to do, and after that step you choose to look the chat. So you will set up a password for that chat. So to get into that chat, you need just to rewrite that password, and you will get through it. Alright, for the iPhone users, what you gotta do, you just need to go through that chat, and then you will go through the profile, and you will you will scroll down a little bit to see that option, chat lock, and then you will lock it, and also you will click on continue, and you will do the same steps as I already talked about. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.